What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Have a look at this. The Gladiator sneak peek. Look at the front bar on it though. That is insane. Alrighty, so we have got Danny Boy in the house and we have one of his Suzuki's getting the airbag treatment. This one isn't the normal Suzuki you've seen. It is a long wheelbase version and is pretty sick. It's getting a bit of a wrap done as well. But this is the first official rig we are bagging for Danny, because the other ones we were limited to space with the older models, short wheelbase models. This one we can actually do, and we knocked up an airbag kit to support the weight he's going to be carrying. He's got one of these bad boys going to be mounted to it. Pretty sick. So he's got his full coffee machine set up in there, and that just sits on here on the back tray. So there is a little bit of weight going on this one, and she does sag a bit, and the airbags that Benny's knocked up over here are going to fit beautifully under here nicely. So Benny boy, what airbag kit did you knock up?
Pretty much a mixture between a Ford Courier and a Ford Falcon.
Oh yes. So we got Danny in, it was yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah,
we got him in yesterday. Here are the brackets. So because we've been in the industry designing and manufacturing airbag kits, we've got since 1995 really, and we've got literally thousands of airbag kits, so we can pretty much do a measure up and then figure out with what we've already got on the shelf what bracket's going to suit beautifully. And also we've got hundreds of different airbag styles as well, so we've been able to do the job nicely, and Benny Boy is going to install this one in about 2 minutes, just like he always does. Hey Benny, 2 minutes you reckon?
just for you.
Just for you, that's it. So stay tuned for the airbag install. We've got the heavy duty Firestone rolling sleeve airbags that are going in between. Is this sitting on the leaf spring or the axle? Leaf. So in between the leaf spring and the chassis, it's going to bolt in there beautifully. I'm excited. Phew! Mate,
Tan. I think I'm going to keep.
I love the colour.
Yeah, I think I'm going to keep the tan and the white stripe here.
I reckon you should keep that
Jerry
classic
can
look.
there, Jerry can logo on there.
That's it. This is going to be full adventure spec, man. I'm so keen. Are you going to have the full battery set up in there as well?
Yeah, battery setup, easy off-road,
Yep.
lithiums, inverter.
Yeah, nice.
I think I'm going to do a bit of a monster on the top here and do a, what do they call
Like
it?
a roof rack or something?
Roof rack.
Yep.
I think I'm going to use a front runner, all the front runner kit.
Yeah, nice. This is so good, man.
DJ spec,
So where'd you find this beauty of a rig?
McCormack's,
Good old McCormack's, eh?
Peter.
They just had it
Peter.
there sitting in the bloody...
In the yard, brother.
Yeah, how good is that?
Hey?
It was meant to be.
It was meant to be. When I was getting the car service, I just saw it sitting there.
You got a few Suzukis, eh?
Yep, it's number 3.
So what models have you got?
97 coil sprung,
Yep,
original.
yep,
That was my first car.
yep.
And then this bad boy, long wheelbase 1985. And then I've got a LJ50 74.
That is so sick, man. Yes. And this is the first one we are
The
able
first,
to officially
yes,
bag.
I can't wait.
That is so good. Mate, you're gonna love it.
Oh, bro.
Look at this rig though. So sick. Can't wait. Can't wait for the wrap though. That's gonna be awesome. How good is that? Hey?
The Barjar rallies.
Oh, they're great. They're black bear, eh?
Yeah, black bear.
Yeah. They look tough. Look at that. So good. So let's have a quick look at the suspension underneath, what we're dealing with. Not much light under here, but you can pretty much see. So there you go. There's the chassis rail at the top, leaf pack, axle running across. So when Danny's got that weight over there on the back, she does sag a bit. So these airbags, when we inflate them, are gonna bring that back up to its level ride height. He's gonna pretty much maintain that height at all times, and he's gonna maximize the wheel travel when he takes this beast off-road and gives everyone espresso martinis, lattes, cappuccinos, whatever you want in an off-grid location. So I'm excited. Yeah. So Benny, what's happening?
Securing the lower bracket.
Yep. Nice.
Just how it fits into a Ford Falcon.
If you have an older model vehicle and we don't have an airbag kit for it, we can pretty much get a lot of measurements from you, see what brackets we have on the shelf, and give you a bit of advice on what you need to modify on our brackets to fit to your vehicle, whether it's bolt-in or if it's a full custom hot rod job. We can pretty much do that. So what we'll be able to do is, once we've done the airbag install, we'll be able to whack the container on the back, bolt it into place, show you what happens when that weight goes on. It'll sag down, and then we can inflate the airbags to return you back to its level ride height position. So stay tuned for that. Benny, we're about 1 minute into the install. You reckon you got it in the 2-minute mark?
Huh?
We're about 1 minute into the install. You reckon you got it for the 2-minute mark, or?
What?
I see. Oh god. I said we're about 1 minute in. Nah, no response. Stuff you. This kit's only getting the manual inflation valves on the back. Danny's got our heavy duty portable compressor to inflate and deflate the bags. He also uses that to do the same with his tires, so that's all he needs for now. Nothing fancy, just nice, simple manual inflation through the valves at the back. And that's what we supply standard in all our airbag kits, is the 2 inflation valves, pretty much the same valve that is on your tire right here. So there's your valve. Pretty much supply 2 of those in every kit, so you can individually inflate your airbags to cater for the varied loads on the back. Nice and simple, there you go.
That's the colour it's going to be.
Pretty warm out here, eh? A bit humid. You want a refreshment?
Oh, time for cocoa?
On this one.
Oh, alright, let's go. Oh,
Yeah, you want one?
Benny wants one.
What do you want, Ben? Step right in.
Is this where it happens?
That's it. What do you want? What do you feel like?
Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Oh my goodness.
This is insane.
This is good.
What is the go?
I'm on
I've got yuzu.
what is that one?
This one's citrus, I think.
Alright. Not happy. Not happy about being
Yeah,
open.
yuzu. Benny will have a yuzu.
What the hell's a yuzu?
I'm gonna have a yuzu. It is citrus, I'm pretty sure.
Alright.
I think it says on there.
Yuzu juice.
Yeah, I'll Google it once.
Yeah.
So how's the install, Benny?
Amazing. Check it out. It's a little bit.
So good.
A bit more. A bit more. Yep. Is it? Yep. No joke.
How excited are you right now?
I can't even talk, bro.
Wow.
Maybe deflate the side a touch.
Stand by.
Stand by one.
Where's your deflator? Oh, you just put something on the pin? Or what?
Yeah, just press it in with that cap.
About an hour of customization yesterday, and before you know it, 40 minutes later today, and you got an airbag kit in there.
Unbelievable.
How about that, eh? Benny Bobbler. Well done. Oh God. Yeah, there we go. Another awesome benefit that Danny is going to be loving. He goes to a stack of events, coffee events where he's setting up on uneven ground. He's actually got enough movement there in the suspension to be able to level out left and right to make it nice and level when he's making his coffees. So that is going to be mint. Are you keen for that? That's probably going to be the best benefit you're going to have.
Oh, bro. Which coffee truck's doing it?
That's it.
No
None.
None.
So you'd do that. You'd do that all the time, wouldn't you? You'd chalk up the wheel there just to get it level.
Just got these trailer trucks.
Yep.
Just put them under front wheel, and I get Abby to guide me up and back where we're going to go, and
yep.
It's going to be save heaps of time stuffing around, especially on the sand as well.
It's going to be crazy. So Danny will be using these inflation valves for the time being with his heavy duty portable compressor he's got. The next step we will probably end up doing is chucking a few pneumatic switches in here so you can just easily adjust left and right. Onboard air, that'll be the phase 2 of this build. But how good's that? Wrap on its way. Here's a little teaser. Look at that. Love it. Bags are in. Danny's rig is now safe and level. We're about to go for a run. We've got the GoPro underneath. You'll be able to see the airbags work beautifully with the suspension. Danny should have no dramas at all. So let's get into it. In the rig.
The thing that's going in here is the 16.
Oh, she's tight.
Yep.
How do you get in
that
here?
one doesn't go back further.
Oh, damn.
So Benny's gets down.
Oh, jeez.
You don't have to do anything like double clutch or anything.
Here we go.
Just break off. Handbrake off. Yep.
In the Sierra, mate. Long wheelbase. Let's get it done. Got a belt.
Yeah.
Set those belts on, bro.
Not that there's any airbags anyway.
Yeah, but still maybe. Alright, here we go. And this is like, it's like sitting in a bathtub. It's
What do you use a rifle if you guys go firing?
oh, dude. There we go. Danny has no more spring sag now. No more spring sag. Yes.
And when you're inflating,
the body roll going around corners was unbelievable. It is so stable. Mate, so good. Look at this. It is level. That's what you want. So if you need airbag suspension for leaf sprung vehicles, coil sprung vehicles, full coil replacement, we've got it all. So make sure you hit us up if you got a saggy bum. Yeah. There we go, you saw the footage here. Danny has no more spring sag, no more body roll. The vehicle is safe and level. You just officially been bagged, baby.
Boom, bagged. Don't you think I'd see the day with the Suzuki?
So good, man.
It's gonna be centered from here.
So good. So that's all the fun and adventure right there. And then the product is
airbag van.
Airbag man, baby. Yeah, boy.
Oh, maybe under
dude,
the Sierra.
that'd be sick.
The Sierra airbag. No one's got it. No one's doing it.
So good. Here we go.
Centered or off-centered? I think like that.
However you want.
So,
Just straight over the dirt.
so.
Did you go four-wheel driving or something just before?
There was some big mud puddles.
Was it? What, our normal route through Brendale Industrial? Yeah, boy.
You know the drill.
Yeah, we know the drill.
Oh, that's so good.
That's
No
so
one's
sick.
got that, bro. No one's got it.
Japster.
That's it. Love it. Yeah, boy.
I can't wait to take this beast off road.
Oh, mate.
Just low range, just cruising.
Yeah. I'm super
I
chuffed
can't wait
about
to-
the shackle part.
Oh,
You know?
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
Like
Well,
it's fully stopped that.
Yeah, well, because all the loads on that, like pretty much near the axle anyway.
Yeah, well, it's in its original position now, so it's
It can't- yeah,
it's
it
not
can't
it's
go.
preventing that bottoming out.
Yeah.
And when you got that bottoming out going over those bumps, it would lock up like that.
You
It's
know what's
crazy.
going to be a good test? DI.
Oh yeah, easy. DI easy.
And then, oh mate, how easy? Just gets in here.
Good DJ. So this is going to be.
That's your other one.
Get that into you. What is that?
See it from the sky, bro.
About as big as the bloody logo on the building.
This is where the chopper lands, right on the container. Where the skids land.
That's awesome, man.
So good.
The wrap for this mini vlog. If you want to see this beast, make sure you hit up Danny. I'm sure he'll do some sort of event around your way. But we're going to do heaps of trips with this one. Put some onboard air on here. So stay tuned for that. See you in the next one.